Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wiseman Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wiseman Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wiseman team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wiseman team at Wiseman Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Cleveland Magistrates Court. Client was charged with driving with a relevant drug present, so drug driving. There's two types of drug driving: the lesser charge, relevant drug present, and the more serious charge, driving under the influence of a drug. As it suggests, driving under the influence means you're actually high on drugs, whereas the other lesser charge simply means that you've consumed it. You're no longer under the influence of it, but it's still present and detectable in your system. My client hadn't lost their licence in the last 5 years, and they were therefore eligible to apply for a drug driving work licence. That's what they instructed me to do. This was a previous client who I'd acted for back in 2010 for exactly the same charge, so it was repeat drug driving. But as I said, 2010 is obviously outside of the last 5 years, and he hadn't lost his licence, as I've already said, for any other reason, so he was eligible to apply for a drug driving work licence. Simple eligibility doesn't equate to success. There's a number of elements that need to be satisfied, one of them being fit and proper person. If you're a repeat offender, that's always going to be an uphill battle. As a part of tackling that, I did emphasise the duration between the previous offence and the current one. Got him to attend a reformatory course, and I spoke at length in the affidavit materials about what he learnt, and within the affidavit materials himself, which you need to prepare when you're applying for any kind of a work licence, drink driving or drug driving. I set out his income, expenses, family situation, what happened on the day in question, why he partakes in this particular item, and as I said, what he learned at the police attitudinal driving course. Did a 4-page affidavit up for his employer to sign, saying what he does, why he needs his licence to do it, and that without a licence he'll be without a job. I drafted all those a few days ago, emailed them to the court. Met the client at court today, handed up the originals to the magistrate and the prosecutor, argued the application. Short version is, we were successful. I was successful in two fronts. The mandatory minimum disqualification for this charge is 1 month, maximum is 9 months, but when you apply for a work licence, the magistrate's got the discretion to double that, so technically, given we were applying for a work licence, the maximum was 18 months. But notwithstanding, I was successful in persuading the magistrate to stick to the minimum 1 month, so we got a 1 month disqualification, and overlapping that, we were successful in persuading the magistrate to grant the work licence. So 1 month, during that 1 month, you can continue driving for work purposes only. Modest fine, client's happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman, thanks for watching.
Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wiseman Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wiseman team at Wiseman Lawyers.